I'm going to show you a little circuit that I built inside this DX-394 that you've seen a couple of videos on. And basically it's a receive preamplifier using two 2N3904s. You've seen a couple of circuits that I've built, I think, with using these before. It's the same circuit, and again, it's a circuit that was developed by Carl, and it all, the circuit belongs to him. But I have copied the circuit and built a few amplifiers using that circuit, and I have to say it's quite interesting. It certainly do work, that's for sure. And once again, Carl, I do appreciate you there providing the circuit for the amp. It's awesome. It works quite well indeed. But yeah, so basically I built it inside this DX-394, and I'm just going to show you what I did with the DX-394 to put the preamp in her. So if you're interested in seeing a receipt preamp that I built for the DX-394, stay tuned. Anyways, let's get the covers off her. Oh, there's the switch, by the way, for turn the preamp on and off. This side, speaker side, is all I gotta take off here. But I don't lose screws. Right and rub a little bit. And pop the cover off her. Disconnect the speaker. Turn the volume down first. And there we go. So now, the inside of the DX-394. So there's the circuit board. There's the circuit. We're using all shielded cable throughout. I'm getting power directly from the power supply over here, 12 volt, which goes to the switch, which is being switched on and off with the amp. And we'll give you a more close-up shot of how I got this set up. I think you'll find it quite interesting. Right, so this is the inside of the DX-394, and yeah, bunch of capacitors removed. Trying to figure out the audio problem. All caps are on the other side of the board, and yes, I know I shouldn't put them down there, but that's where they are, and that's where they'll stay. Anyway, so yeah, this is the 2-transistor 2N3904 preamplifier circuit. Again, it's all shielded cable used throughout. Power is taken from down here, R163. Power comes in here through the resistor, and away she goes. The preamplifier is controlled by a single switch on-off, two-pole on-off switch. So basically, what's going on when I'm not using the amplifier, you pull the switch uphill, basically, pull up, and these two red wires here would be disconnected. Same thing with the green over here, these two top white ones, they would also be disconnected, because the way it's set up is the common from the antenna is the center white wire. The preamp, when it's turned on, goes through the top green shielded cable, and from the antenna connector itself is the dark green one on the bottom. So yeah, when you want to turn the preamp on, you push up pull it up, or push down rather. Jeez, get it straight in my head one of these days. So you push down to turn it on, push up to turn it off, down to turn it on, up to turn it off. And so without cutting any traces whatsoever or doing any damage to the radio, which there is none, what I've done is I've unsoldered the PL25 connector directly from the board. So there's no connection down there. I know it's hard to see here with all the wiring and stuff there, but the center pin on that PL25 or TL239, SO239, whatever the hell you want to call it, the center pin is not soldered to the board where normally it would be. So the center pin goes to the green, to the white wire in the center. So yeah, as you can see, just like that. Boom. So it's a fairly easy circuit. Again, this circuit was designed by Carl Bowley down in the United States. He designed the circuit, and he shared it with me, and I got to say it works marvelous. But there you go. So there's the DX-394. Got it all put back together, and you see the S meter. Well, that's with the preamp off. I'll just turn it on. Quick the difference during the signal. That's the preamp off. Preamp on. Preamp off. Preamp on. I'm going to fix up my 40 meter antenna dipole the weekend. The one I got there is not working very good at all. I'm going to be fixing that the weekend, hopefully, weather permitting. So yeah, the amplifier does work, that's for sure. Anyways, thought I would share that with you.